Have you seen those shocking viral ads where Anderson Cooper, Dr. Sanjay Gupta, or even Bruce Willis are supposedly revealing a secret honey trick recipe for Alzheimer's? At first glance, it looks convincing, but the truth is far different. These are AI-generated deepfakes designed to trick viewers into believing a false story. None of those celebrities or doctors have ever endorsed or even mentioned this so-called method. The ads are nothing more than clever marketing tactics used to sell a supplement called Memo Clarity, and that's exactly what I'll be reviewing in this video. When you dig deeper, the so-called honey trick is never explained in any real medical sense. It's just a hook to pull you in. Memo Clarity is marketed as a memory and brain health solution, but the product provides no legitimate clinical trials, no peer-reviewed studies, and absolutely no scientific proof behind its claims. What's even more concerning is that the ads often show fake FDA approval badges, false guarantees of success, and paid actors posing as satisfied customers in glowing reviews. When products rely on deception rather than transparency, that's a huge red flag. While Memo Clarity isn't being outright called harmful, it's impossible to ignore the manipulative tactics being used to promote it. The use of respected names like Sanjay Gupta and Bruce Willis makes the scam even more dangerous because it preys on trust and emotion, especially from families desperately searching for hope in the fight against Alzheimer's. In the end, it's important to approach products like Memo Clarity with caution, skepticism, and research rather than falling for flashy viral ads. If you still want to check out Memo Clarity for yourself despite these red flags, the product link is tagged in this video, but make sure you make an informed decision before considering any purchase.